Hello again. We've known each other a long time, and you've always tried to get the best of us, to intimidate us, to come out of nowhere and hurt us if you can. But in case there was any confusion, let us remind you that this is our life, and we're not afraid of you anymore.
Introducing LUCI, revolutionary patented technology for power wheelchairs.
Hi, Mom. Hi, honey.
LUCI believes in real-world technology inclusion.
Alexa, ask my Lucy if my chair is charging.
The battery is approximately 80% charged.
An incredible driving experience with cutting-edge drop-off protection and hardware and software providing first-of-its-kind collision avoidance for your world to wheelchair better, safer, faster, and smarter.
The cheese!
LUCI is modern mobility.
It's called Lucy. It's attached to my chair. And it knows where all the curbs are.
And that means more independence, more fun, and a chair that finally listens to you. With a HIPAA-secure platform and app for the information you care about. Wheelchair smarter with LUCI.
Fend is a new nasal hygiene that clears the airways of airborne particles that masks miss. In a course of a typical day, we're breathing in 1 billion or more particles, many of which carry airborne pathogen. Those particles and these pathogen typically fall out in our nose and our upper airways, where mucus removes those particles eventually so that we swallow them. When we have droplet breakup in our mucus, pathogen in our upper airways can penetrate deeper into our lungs and possibly make us sick, or it can be exhaled into the outside environment and make others sick. So using Fend lowers the probability. Fend particularly lowers exhaled aerosol by up to 99% for up to 6 hours. Fend can be used with a mask, a conventional surgical mask, in that conventional masks are not good at filtering out the very small particles that Fend is successful at removing. If one has no mask or does not have a well-functioning mask, Fend acts not only on the small particles but also on the large particles too. In cases where we're eating or in other kinds of environments where it's not practical to wear a mask, Fend is a good alternative. This is really a precious study. Thank you so much. So what we really want to do here is understand how can you bring the protocol which we're developing in factories and schools and hospitals into an environment like this where you're kind of on top of each other and you often can't wear masks and you don't have the time to run out and get your bend.
This is a very important study and a very important protocol that can change the lives of a lot of people. We're an example in some ways, so please be an example today. Please be safe. This is our real priority today. And of course, is the safety not only of ourselves, but also of our most vulnerable talent, the people on camera who are not wearing masks when we're working together.
This protocol that we're filming here will be really, really useful to sports teams, really, really useful to theater groups or a cappella groups and so on and so forth. There's a lot of interest in Hollywood to bring this into film production.
Just over a century ago, the sky was dark. Millions of stars lit up the sky at night. Today, the world is filled with cars, buildings, and cities. All these things fill our atmosphere with light that blocks our once beautiful view of the night sky. Do we even remember what the night sky really looks like? If you live anywhere where there are lots of street lamps and buildings producing light, then probably not. But it doesn't have to be this way. For the past 4 years, we have stayed up countless long nights, spending hours upon hours of designing and testing to bring to you the world's finest home planetarium. This is the DS1. The DS1's sleek design includes an accurate star map wrapping around its cylinder and a polished aluminum alloy construction. When the lights are off, the stars come out. Not just a couple thousand, but millions. We are excited to introduce you to our Chrome Disk. Our Chrome Disk projects a staggering amount of stars, over 4 million. If that's not enough, Dark Skies also offers the largest selection of star disks in the world. You can always have something new to watch, and it's not just stars. Don't blink, or you might miss a shooting star. The show doesn't end there. This is Nightlight Mode. After your DS1 is tucked away, watch its hidden feature come to life. We have compacted the millions of stars from our Chrome Disk onto the lighted cylinder. We want to make sure your time is spent watching the stars. That's why we packed the DS1 with easy-to-use features to make setting up and using it a snap.
This device will change your life. Clean drinking water is a necessity of everyday life, but do we take it for granted? What if I told you there's a solution to accessing clean, safe, drinkable water while staying eco-friendly, all with the tap of a bottle cap? Meet the Crazy Cap. The best self-cleaning bottle that sterilizes your water in under 60 seconds. Let me show you how this works. The Crazy Cap utilizes UV LED technology that is scientifically proven to disinfect your water in your bottle. Simply tap 2 times for normal mode sterilization or 5 times for crazy mode. In just 60 seconds, you'll have sterilized water that's safe to consume. The Crazy Cap is perfect for camping, backpacking, hiking, traveling, exercising, or for your daily usage. It even automatically self-sanitizes when you're not looking. best of all, the filterless design makes the Crazy Cap zero maintenance for life. The patented USB portless charging technology ensures that your Crazy Cap's performance is always optimal and ready to go at any time. Even use the Crazy Cap to sterilize surfaces like keyboards, phones, or public spaces.
This cap is going to sterilize any water that I put into it, which is awesome.
If you're out hiking, which I am all the time, if you need water from like a stream, a river, whatever, you can literally use this. I highly recommend Crazy Cap.
Join thousands of other people pledging a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Get fast, clean, and delicious tasting water wherever you go with the Crazy Cap.